Mastering the passive voice in present perfect tense. Hello, and welcome back to our English grammar lessons. Today, we're going to tackle a fascinating aspect of English grammar, the passive voice in present perfect tense. More specifically, we'll dive into the structure of subject plus has, have plus been plus past participle. Let's get started. To grasp the passive voice in the present perfect tense, you first need to understand what the present perfect tense is. In a nutshell, we use this tense to express an action that started in the past and continues up to the present, or an action completed at an unspecified time before now. The basic structure is subject plus has, have plus past participle. Here's an example in the active voice. She has written a book. Now, let's move on to the passive voice. We use the passive voice when the focus is on the action and not who or what is performing the action. In the present perfect tense, the passive voice uses the following structure: subject plus has, have plus been plus past participle. In this structure, has is used when the subject is singular, and have when the subject is plural or I or you. Been is the past participle of be, and the final past participle depends on the verb. Let's turn our earlier sentence into passive voice using this structure. The book has been written by her. Here, the focus shifts from she to the book. Now it's your turn to practice. Try converting these active voice sentences into passive voice. 1. They have cleaned the house. 2. I have finished the project. 3. You have seen the movie. Here are the answers. 1. The house has been cleaned by them. 2. The project has been finished by me. 3. The movie has been seen by you. That wraps up our lesson on the passive voice in present perfect tense. Remember, the key to mastering this structure is practice, so try using it in your writing and speech. We hope this video has been helpful. Tune in next time for more exciting grammar lessons. Happy learning!